Hello, beautiful people. It's Ish here, and today I'm going to tell you all I know about digital marketing. I got my Google certificate in digital marketing in 2022, and with the release of ChatGPT, the whole game has changed. And I'm going to tell you everything I know that you need to know in order to step up your game. I don't want to waste any of your time, so let's get to it. So, we are going to start on the website Upwork, and we are going to use this order right here, SEO and digital marketing specialist for childcare in Dubai. And right now I'm going to enter this prompt, and you can see it right here. Basically, it says, you are a digital marketing specialist, and I want you to use this and create a detailed plan for this business. And I'm going to use that prompt for ChatGPT. It is going to help me break this down. And after I press enter, you can see everything starting to work. And these are some of the business name suggestions. And here is the digital marketing plan for the childcare business in Dubai. And it breaks down step by step what you need to do in order to optimize this website. As you can see, it has create the design, add SEO, content marketing, blogs and such, social media marketing, and what type of content you could put on it. For Instagram, for Facebook, for LinkedIn, ad campaigns. There's also Google My Business, making sure that you are able to be found on Google, and an online reputation management, kind of updating your business, local SEO strategies, pay-per-click advertising, video marketing, making a short video, and partnerships and community engagement, and email marketing. Also, it has multilingual support, etc. So right now, we are going to focus on creating the website, creating the business. And we are going to use number 9 because I like that name, Oasis Little Steps. And right now, I'm asking ChatGPT if it can give me a description of the business and give me a layout of what the website will look like. And I want the website to have warm, inviting colors. And right now, ChatGPT is spitting out a theme and design, soft, warm tones such as pastel. And it's also telling me the type of font I could use for the website. It's also adding some of the imagery that I could put in it. And after that, it's breaking down the website structure, essentially telling me how everything should go, homepage, the core features of it, the About Us section, programs and activities, etc., etc. A call to action button and everything. Right now, ChatGPT asks me if I would like a mock-up of the website. And so I'm going to say, yes, sure. Please give me a mock-up. I'm just curious what ChatGPT is going to spit out. And yeah, so right now it's spitting out the website. As you can see, here is the code it is using to make the website. And okay, that one's not bad. This mockup isn't terrible. As you can see, it has everything I asked for. Oasis Little Steps has the nice warm pastel colors. This is a decent start. But for website design, I like to use something different. Yeah, for websites, instead of using ChatGPT to generate the code, I like to use a different program called Cline. You can get Cline inside of Visual Studio Code. It's a Microsoft app, and it is really, really useful. So right now, I'm going to use ChatGPT to make me a prompt to create this website. And I want it to be responsive. I want it to be, very intuitive. And let's see what ChatGPT gives me. Okay. So right now it's spitting out a prompt for me, and I can take this prompt and I can plug this into a different AI program that is a little bit more suited for making websites. And it's going to create me this awesome website, and hopefully it looks cool. So as you can see, it gave me the prompt and it lays out everything that the website should have. And so I'm going to take this prompt and I'm going to copy everything. And after I copied everything, I'm going to go into a program called Cline, and that is used inside of Visual Studio Code. And I'm going to use Cline to create this website. And I use Cline quite extensively. It's one of the most amazing programs in my opinion. And yeah, as you can see, there's prompts right there. And I use OpenRouter, and I use an OpenRouter API key. So right now I'm going to take that entire prompt and I'm going to paste it into Cline and ask it to make me the website. And right now it's going to make me everything automatically, just using Claude Sonnet. Yep, and right now it's generating all the code for the websites. It's giving me everything I need. And yes, we're going to go ahead and open up that website. And as you can see, the website came out pretty good. It has the nice warm pastel colors I wanted. It's very friendly. It has all the sections I asked to include. It looks like it's pretty well done, honestly. And yeah, we can, of course, edit everything to suit your needs. But for our first round, it's really well done. And so I'm going to add some more stuff for this project. And I think I want to add some blogs. And so I'm going to ask ChatGPT to give me some blog ideas. And I like the first one. Let's see, 5 fun weekend activities for families in Dubai. And I want ChatGPT to create me an SEO-rich blog about the subject. And I want it to use language that is simple and engaging. And let's see what ChatGPT comes up with. Groovy. All right, so these are 5 fun weekend activities for families in Dubai. And it lists everything out. Cool, looks pretty good. All right, so I'm going to copy all of that. And I want to enter this into the website I created using Cline. And so I'm going to ask Cline, can you add this blog into the websites? And let's see what it does. Perfect. And it's going to open up the websites. And yes, as you can see, the website is still there. And as I scroll down, you can see the blog. 5 fun things to do in Dubai on the weekend. Pretty cool, right? So next, we're going to work on the social media marketing part of this job post. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT, can you give me a quality post for each of these platforms? I want it to give me one for Instagram, one for Facebook, and one for LinkedIn. And let's see what it comes up with. Cool. So yeah, Instagram's it says it can be in a high quality image or a short video of children playing in a bright, well decorated classroom. And there's a caption, as you can see, welcome to Oasis Little Steps, where every day is filled with laughter, learning, and little victories. And then the Facebook bit says, I can create a carousel post, which is 2 or more pictures or videos. The caption can say, exciting updates from Oasis Little Steps. Join us, blah, blah, blah. All right, pretty good post. So let's start working on the Instagram post. What I'm going to do is I am going to go to Glif.app. It is a website I use for image generating. ChatGPT has its own image generation tool as well, but I don't like it as much. Glif.app, he uses one called Flux, which is one of the best open source image generators on the market, if not the best. And so I'm going to go to Flux. I'm going to use Flux Ultra. And I am going to go back and I'm going to copy the Instagram post prompt for the visual. So I want a high quality image of children playing in the bright classroom, etc., etc. And I'm going to change it to, I'm going to keep it 1 by 1 actually, because Instagram is square post, mostly. And yeah, so as you can see, I wanted it to create a high quality image. I don't need it to be a short video. Of children playing in a classroom, and let's see what it gives me. All right, cool. So I'm going to download that image. It's nice. Really nice, bright image of children playing in a classroom. Now I'm going to change it to be, I want the image to be a little bit more diverse. So let's see what it gives me. I have to change it to prompts in a classroom that are the diverse. All right, that's a pretty good picture. And as you can see, it's a bunch of kids in a classroom with the teachers in a back room, or download that one as well to use potentially. And let's go ahead and get one more. Let's see. A high quality image of diverse children from the Middle East playing in a bright, well decorated classroom. Let's see what that gives us. All right. So now we have 3 images we can use potentially. I'm going to download this one as well. Perfect. And now I'm going to take one of the images and I am going to go into Canva, canva.com. Canva is a very popular image editing website where you can edit pictures, add text to them, edit videos. They have different frames you can use, different templates. It's very, very useful and free to use. They have paid programs, but a lot of good stuff is free there, so I use it frequently. And so I'm going to insert one of the pictures in there, and I'm going to take the caption, "Welcome to Oasis Little Steps." I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to go into Canva and add a heading, and I'm just going to put it there. Yeah, adjust it a little bit. I think that looks pretty good. Sweet. Make it look nice. Welcome to Oasis Little Steps. Perfect. And now let's go ahead and post it on Instagram. I'm going to use a random Instagram account just to get it posted quickly so you can see what it looks like. And I'm going to copy the entire caption. And I'm going to put that into the Instagram post so you can see what that looks like. Sweet. Copy all that. Boom. And there you are. There's the Instagram post. Welcome to Oasis Little Steps. And if you're scrolling to Instagram, you see this, you'll see a pretty good ad. Now let's say I wanted to put this ad on Facebook or Instagram using Meta's business suites. Here's how you do it. Basically, you go into the business suites and you enter in all the information, the ad name, and I'm going to add one of the pictures I created using Glif into Meta's business suite media library. And I'm going to use this one. I'm going to use it to create some ads. And as you can see right here, here are some example ads for our company, Oasis Little Steps. And if you look on the right, you can see some example ones. And right now I'm going to enter in the headline that I want to use. And it's going to be the welcome to Oasis Little Steps. And it's going to enter in all of the primary text first. I'm going to copy that top line. And I am going to use that for the headline. And below that, you see an add headline option. Description. And there's a call to action button. Right now, it's on Learn More. And if you look on the screen right now, basically you'll see what the ad will look like, depending on where you are looking at it. Here it is on Facebook. Here's how it looks like on Instagram, etc., etc. All right, so now let's start making our Facebook one. We're gonna make a Facebook ad that is a carousel instead of a single picture or a single video. Here's how you do it. Pretty much the same as the other one. Enter all your details. And when it asks you what type of ad you want to create, you're going to choose carousel, which is 2 or more scrollable images or videos. And we are going to use 2 of the images we created using Glif for our carousel. Let's use these other 2. And we're going to go back and we're going to copy. Let's see. Let's copy this for the headline. Perfect. And website, I've been using example.com just as a placeholder because, yeah. And we are going to go back and we are going to copy the body of the ad. And we are going to paste it. Perfect. Parenting workshop. Join us. Blah, 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 blah. And let's make our call to action request time, because there's a bunch of different times that are potentially listed for this ad. So yeah, and that's how you make a carousel ad using Meta's Business Suite. Perfect. Let's go ahead and, as you can see, we have 2 different cards we use. And here's the first one, and you scroll to the second image, and it gives you the second part of the ad. And here's how it looks on various platforms and various websites, Facebook, Instagram, etc. Cool. And that's our carousel ad. Pretty cool. So now, let's see if we can make our LinkedIn ad. So for LinkedIn, it's a very similar process. You have to create your LinkedIn advertising accounts, etc., etc. You have to do the same thing for your Facebook and Instagram accounts. And let's go ahead and do that. Let's say you already created your account, and now you want to create a new ad. Here's what you do. You're going to click on create a new ad. And I want a different picture for this LinkedIn post. So I'm going to go ahead and see if I can find, after I paste this in, paste the headline in, I'm going to go ahead and see if I can find an image on Flux that I like. I'm going to go ahead and use Flux again to generate an image, a professional image of staff during a training session or a partnership announcement with a local educational organization. All right, this one's decent. Let's see what another one looks like. I'm going to go ahead and run it again. Sweet, sweet, sweet. All right. This one's a little bit better. I'm going to use this one for my professional LinkedIn ad. It's a little bit more la-di-da. And as you can see, there's the picture added to the library, very similar to Meta's Business Suites. Select it, and I already put the headline in, and I put in the body of the ad. And here's how it looks. on desktop, and here's how it looks on mobile. You can select the call to option, of course, call to action, I mean, of course, and all that good stuff. But yeah, there's your LinkedIn ad. So next, let's talk about emails. For email marketing for our website's Oasis Little Steps, we're going to go ahead and generate some potential emails. The first one's for leads, and the second email will be for current clients. And as you can see, ChatGPT has no problem generating some really good emails that you can use for email marketing. The most popular email marketing platform is probably MailChimp, but that one costs money now, so I don't tend to use that one very often unless I'm working on a big project. But here is an example of how a MailChimp breakdown would be if you use that program. Basically, you have your template you can choose, your header, your subject line, the body, and then you can put images and text into it, and of course put links at the bottom, put your header, put your footer, etc., etc. As you can see, it's formatted in that way. So you can just copy that and plug it into MailChimp, and it will give you everything that you need. But instead of MailChimp, I'm going to use a service called Email Octopus. It's pretty similar. It's not as robust, but it will get the job done. And so basically, I'm going to create an email that I can send out to all my subscribers or non-subscribers. And go ahead and set up all this stuff. And so right now I'm going to copy in the header. I'm going to use the email one for leads. Welcome to Little Oasis Little Steps, where little feet take big steps. And here's some templates you can use. I'm going to use this template. And that's just a placeholder branding image I chose because I think it looks really cool. Yeah, Android girl. So basically, I'm going to put an image right there in the middle of the email. I'm going to change this into the body of the email that I want. So it's going to be the dear parent's name. Thank you for your interest in little steps, blah, 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 blah. I'm going to copy all of that. And I'm going to paste that into Email Octopus. Perfect. And I'm going to change that, of course. Blah, blah, blah. That will be the link that you will have in the email. And I'm going to put that header there. Welcome to Oasis Little Steps, where little feet take big steps. And I'm going to use that image I generated in Glif earlier. I'm going to go ahead and delete this little branding image, though it's cool. Bye-bye. And so now you can see what the email will potentially look like. There's the picture, there's the welcome message. And if I go to preview, you can see what the email will look like when you send it to people. Easy peasy, right? And of course, you can automate that. So now let's talk about making video content for your business. So right now I want to ask ChatGPT to give me a few ideas. All right, yeah, faculty tour video, cool. ChatGPT is going to spit out some ideas for us. And okay, very nice. They gave us some really good ideas, and I also want to make sure I have a logo. So I am going to generate a logo for my websites, for my business. And I'm going to copy the prompt that ChatGPT gave me. I'm going to paste it into my Flux image generator, and let's see what it gives us. All right, that's pretty good. Oasis Little Steps. I like it. I like it. It has nice pastel colors that we have been using the entire project. Really good fonts, really clean. I'm going to go ahead and download that, and I'm actually going to edit it a little bit because I want to put one more finishing touch on it. So right now I'm going to create a blank canvas in Canva, a square one for logos. I'm going to copy in the Glif Ultra image, the Glif image I just generated. And yes, I'm going to edit that right there. There you go. Looks pretty good. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Oasis Little Steps. Nice. And I think I want to add some feet to this. Some little steps, if you will. So I'm going to go to Pixabay, which is another website where you can find free media, images, and videos to use. And I am going to search for some little feet and see what I can find. All right. There's some little feet, but I kind of want more of an image, a vector. And so I'm searching for some little feet to use right now. And I think these ones on the left, I think these ones will work. Let's see if there's anything better. Nah, I think these are the ones. And so I'm going to download this image. Perfect. And I am going to import this image into my logo. And I am going to edit it so it is on my logo. And that is perfect. I'm going to go ahead and download this logo. And the reason why I made the logo right now is because I am going to use it when I make my video. Yes. And the video I am going to make, I'm going to use one of the options, basically. So for the video, I am going to choose option number 7, which was educational tip series. It's going to be a quick short video explaining child development tips in video formats. And I'm just going to have, kids learning and playing instruments and all that good stuff in the video. Perfect. And so I'm going to edit this video, and at the very end, you are going to be able to see the short video I made. And I am going to incorporate the logo I made into it as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for following this entire tutorial. I hope this helps you in your digital marketing endeavors, and it opens up your mind to what is possible with AI. You can do so much with just the right questions, the right perseverance, and the right tools. And if you have any questions, please let me know, drop a comment, whatever, and I will talk to you soon. Peace.